Today we're going to talk about the GAPO. We also call it the GOAT, the greatest of all time.
I'm a crane technician. We use the GAPO to squeeze in through an alleyway, or they might have a bunch of beams or something on the ground that you have to get around that you can't usually. So it's easy to crab walk this thing, do good 90-degree turns with it, and get into that spot that where the crane needs to sit so it can be erected. It's radio remote, so it's easy to walk along with it.
With the GAPO, we're able to articulate the crane. It's got self-leveling on the front, so we're able to lift the front of the crane up and down, go up and down hills with it. It is pretty powerful. We've also been able to tow it up very steep hills.
The cool thing about these steer axles right here is you don't have to do like a 12-point turn. You can just steer those right into place, and you can just whip around and get it right into the spot.
We use it on PT decks to get from the edge of the building into the center of the building.
It is heavy with the crane on top of it, but as long as the ground's hard, it can go anywhere.